Nahalan, naman muilan denep mai, welcome to another class. Ang denep pu class mantamana the gospel cross atau temana learn menglak atau matawa. I've prepared a pocket cross here, which will tell us the story of Jesus Christ. Atau teman Jesus Christ ajeng pungau temane shengi alak. So when we open this cross, what do we see? The crown. What does the crown tells us? Crown depicts that he is the king. Yung hatu next box manyano ngopua. Awang na opa kawang awang pang lengangai pe. Genesis 1:1. In the beginning God created the heaven and the earth. God created the earth, the sun, the moon, and the stars. Hang chingna iyado lengbushi sigama because kawang katok nite hakakan puwen. John 3:16. For God so loved the world. Young boy, in the next box, when we open it, what do we see here? We see an angry expression, and it is written sin. So here we can see Rome 3:23. Hang chingna asaya anu umyangki hayanga kawang magtishiwa yoyo ok. In this Bible verse, it is clearly written that all have sinned and they fall short of His glory. But what did God do then? God sent His only begotten Son, Jesus Christ. He sent Jesus. Awyana ite ateng laklakai yamalak hayang poi chente ayen ngolak chingne iye yoy halompa. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He sent His only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in Him will be saved, will have eternal life. And the next box is the heart. What does this heart tell us? It tells us that Jesus has the purest heart, and Jesus Christ teman moilande kenang, and He has the purest heart, and He is the only one with no sins. No, teman anu lengnang. He has not committed any sin. What did they do with Jesus? They nailed Him on the cross. So this is the cross. They nailed Jesus on the cross. Even though Jesus had not sinned, they nailed Jesus on the cross. So this is the story of the cross. And the people who loved Jesus, they wrapped His body and buried Him. They buried Him. And Jesus was in the tomb for 3 days. And what happened next is Jesus rose from the tomb. He is risen. This is the gospel. What happened next? What happened at the end is He rose from the dead. He is alive with all of us. So this is the story of Jesus through a cross. So if you can make this well and good, it will be very good, so that because you can carry this everywhere, wherever you go, and you can share the gospel cross to your friends, your families, your brothers, or your sisters. So if you can make this, it's good. But even if you cannot, then don't worry. We will one day when we meet, when we have our offline classes, we will make this. So this is for the class today. So I hope that you have learned something from this gospel cross, and you will not forget the story of Jesus Christ. So this is the end of our class. So we will meet again the next Sunday again with another story, with another activity. Till then, take care and stay safe.